Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can spin flow for beginners in a Blue Lock Rifles Roblox. So I made this video for beginner or first day users. So here we go. So you can get flow. To get buff, just simply click or tap flow button here, and this is the flow. So my current flow is ice, so increase pass strength and increases shooting strength of player who catches your pass. So here you can try use this spin. So you got about 5 free spin. Just simply click spin to get the flow. So acquire ice again, or you can buy lucky spin. You need Robux here in order to use a lucky spin. So here also, if you want to get more slot, you have to buy with Robux. So now we got a new new flow here. I got Genius Flow, gives everyone on your team 30% flow on activation. So feel free to try to spin your flow or purchase to get better flow for your character. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.